Hey guys, it's Megan King. Welcome to my newest listing at 202 Myers Road in Linn Creek, Missouri. Come inside and take a look. This home features all new updated kitchen appliances. This 5-bedroom home features 3 full baths on 2 levels, updated windows, and a brand new heating and cooling system with a whole house dehumidifier and UV light system. One of the awesome things about this property is that it is located in Kahala Estates. They have a playground and an awesome pool that is right on the water with incredible views of the 31-mile marker. For more information on this listing, give us a call at 573-302-2355.